Today we are going to learn about the heart. So first we have to know what is heart. Heart is a muscular organ. It has the size of a clenched fist. The entire heart is made up of cardiac muscles. It is protected by a double-walled membranous bag called pericardium. It pumps blood all over the body through the blood vessel of the circulatory system. Now we will see what is systole and diastole. Contraction and relaxation of heart are called systole and diastole respectively. In the next slide, we will learn about the location of the heart. It is situated in the chest cavity in between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. Now we have to know about the chambers of the heart. There are 4 chambers inside the heart. These are right and left chambers, right and left atrium, right and left ventricle. Now moving to our next slide, in this picture, a thin muscular wall called the atrial septum separates the right and the left atria. A thick wall, the ventricle septum, separates the left and the right ventricles. The opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle is guarded by a valve called bicuspid or mitral valve. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a valve called tricuspid valve. Now moving to our next slide, in this picture we can see tricuspid valve is situated between the right atrium and right ventricle. Bicuspid or mitral valve is situated between the left atrium and left ventricle. This is the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary valve. This is aorta. This is aortic valve. This is superior vena cava. And this is inferior vena cava. Now moving to our next slide, we can see the picture of heart. Now we have to learn about how heart pumps the blood all over the body. So first we will see superior and inferior vena cava carry deoxygenated blood from all over the body to the right atrium. Then systole or contraction of right atrium happens. Deoxygenated blood comes to right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and then right ventricle contracts. On the next step, then the blood comes to the lungs through pulmonary artery. For this, pulmonary valve has to be opened. Lungs filters the deoxygenated blood and converts it into oxygenated blood. Then oxygenated blood comes to left atrium through pulmonary vein, and then systole or contraction of left atrium happens, and blood comes to left ventricle through bicuspid or mitral valve. On the next step, left ventricle contracts and oxygenated blood reaches to aorta through aortic valve. Aorta spreads the oxygenated blood all over the body. So this is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel eShekha and press the bell icon for online video notification time to time. Thanks for watching.